Hi, today we're going to be making a delicious green bean stir fry we call ejotes. It's a very traditional Mexican dish that can be served as the filling for tacos, or it can just be served with rice and beans, and it's delicious, it's tasty, and super simple to make. All we need is 2 cups of green beans. I've cut them into about a 1/4-inch segments. We need 2 tomatoes chopped up, half of a medium white onion, 2 jalapeno peppers, 2 cloves of garlic, olive oil, and salt. That's it. We're going to put all this together and make something delicious. So we're just going to put all the ingredients in there together at the same time. Mixing them together a little bit as you put them in the frying pan. We're going to add a little bit of salt. Mix everything together. Bring it to a simmer. Cover it, and that's it. We'll be back in half an hour, and our ejotes will be ready to enjoy. Our ejotes have been cooking for half an hour, so they are fully cooked and soft. And I'm going to serve me a little bit of ejotes with some plain white rice. They're spicy, savory, absolutely delicious. Enjoy.